time, and this is a deep clean sanitation video. I don't know entirely yet, clearly. So basically, outside is closed. Everyone's in self-quarantine and we can't go outside. I have one of those jobs that I guess is essential business, I guess, because they're not shutting down. Like, they said we'll shut down when the world ends, like when Miss Rona turns into physical form and chokes us out, then I feel like my job will shut down. So because I'm in self-quarantine, I'm gonna have to stay stocked up on I'm gonna have to stay on top of cleaning. When it comes to the virus, or viruses in general, you have to first clean it, then sanitize. Basically, I'm gonna be deep cleaning this room. Yeah. But I bought this because they said it kills viruses and bacterium. Same thing for the Lysol spray, and this kills some of the strands of the previous Ronas. Rona came back in better than ever. She said 2020 is my year. I'm gonna put timestamps of everything I'm going to be showing you in this video, so you can click to specific parts. How to sanitize my fridge, my bed, my room, all these different things. Just look at the timestamps on the screen somewhere. So it's in my bed. Decorative pillows. This is all clean clothes, though. Whatever. So I have to clean all this up. I'm gonna clean all this trunk up. Okay. Might even hit up organizing my closet. My bathroom needs a good spruce up here. Take out the trash, and I have to do laundry. And if you can see, my backpack's in there because it's, you know, been in the school, everything. So yeah. And I'm gonna clean my tub, even though it's pretty clean. And I'm gonna clean everything, and then I'm going to sanitize it as well. First things first, to deep clean / sanitize my room, I must pick up all my things. So right now I'm picking up all the dirty laundry and I'm collecting it to get it out the way and to start a little laundry while I clean. So I'm doing the whites first since I don't have that many whites. And I'm putting the temperature on the water to the hottest setting, and I'm gonna add bleach and soap. I don't use Fabric Shop for now when I'm using bleach because I can't smell it, so I feel like it's a waste. But I typically don't use hot water with my clothes, only my underwear, but for the environment reasons. But because this virus is going around, I've been using hot water for my laundry. Now I'm just putting up all my clean clothes and tidying up the mess and folding and putting everything away, clearing off the floors, stuff like that. Once I've cleared off everything off here, here's the first step. I'm going to clean off all the dust and all the particles on there, as you can see. And now I'm using another wipe to sanitize it and kill all the germs. For my fridge, as you can see, I just thrown away all the food that's inside that I didn't want. And right now I'm just dusting off the top and wiping down the door and everywhere my hands would touch to kill all the germs on the places I touch. I'm also hitting up the windowsill because I noticed that it was dusty. After rearranging my bed, I'm now spraying down all my decorative pillows with the Lysol spray to kill the germs that might be on it from coughing and stuff like that. These are the kind of pillows I can't put in the washing machine because it will get ruined, and they're kind of expensive. So after cleaning, I cleared off everything on here, took off the dusties. Now this is a regular piece of paper with a little water and soap that I'm using to wash and scrub some of the stains and some of the stuff that's on there. Just to get it off. So I'm scrubbing to clean it. And then afterwards, I'm going to go in with a Lysol wipe to disinfect this surface as well. Now I'm in the bathroom. I'm cleaning off the counters of all my things, and then I'm going to be using this Lysol foam deep cleaner. It's a cleaning and disinfecting situation in one. So I'm just spraying it all over here, and I'm going to use a sponge to go to town and scrub it up. Now I'm rinsing it off with the sponge and everything and drying it up with a paper towel. And I'm going to hit it up again with a Lysol spray to make sure everything was killed. Now for my colored laundry. This is also something I always wash in cold water, but because of the viruses I'm going to be using hot water. And I put a deep rinse on because I'm going to be using fabric softener. So I put a full line of laundry detergent in the half because it's super filled. And I like to just throw in the cap in there to rinse it all out to get all the product. Putting in the fabric softener, and you can add a cup of vinegar to kill germs if you so choose. My waste basket comes with this thing, so I can wash this out. And because I like to here I'm just disinfecting my things I touch, like my containers. And
Now I'm just quickly, even though it's out of frame, I'm quickly just rinsing out the trash can, rinsing off the bleach and everything so it can dry so I can put it back in. And I'm also going to spray down the tub a little bit to clean some of the hot spots. I'm not doing a full tub cleanation right now because it's kind of already clean, but I'm scrubbing it down to kill some germs and hit some spots. Oh, I'm also wiping down the toilet of germs and everything real quick. But I cleaned my bathroom like the day ago, so we just disinfection, not a deep clean of the bathroom. Now I'm drying my hands and I'm going to be drying my trash bin so I can put it back into the cover. And then I'm going to broom in here so I can go ahead and mop it with some hot water mixed with a little bit of bleach. This right here is the last corner I need to clean up, so I'm just folding up my duvet and putting away some of my things and my shoes. Finishing up in this corner. And this is all the trash that I collected throughout my room. I'm just going to pick them up and take them outside to be dumped. This is my most favorite part, is vacuuming. We're all done and the floor is all clean. So what the hell? Sorry about that, I was choking. So yeah, I'm just vacuuming everything up and putting everything in its place, and then I'm going to put everything that's left on my bed up after I put the vacuum away. So now I'm just gonna finish. The finishing touches is putting all this junk. It's stuff that doesn't have a place, but they all go in that box basically. And then I'm gonna put that box on my bed, and all the other stuff I'm just putting away. And that's the last of the stuff I need to put away.
I did some changes. I did a curtain over my bed and I moved that right there. One more thing I want to show you guys is how to clean your toothbrush. This goes in your mouth every day, twice a day. And all we do is rinse it. All we do is rinse it. This, and you have to replace it every 3 months. So if it's not yet time to replace it, I can only wash on it. With washing it with soap. yet with soap, hand soap. I know it's weird, but it's perfectly fine. With hot water. Wash it with soap and hot water every day before and after you brush your teeth. Once you can use some of that hot water, enough to cover the bristles, then you need some hydrogen peroxide solution. Tip it about a teaspoon. Spray it on there. And let that soak overnight, once a week, or for a couple hours, like 2 hours, to really kill those germs. This one's sweet. I got this tip from TikTok, and I'm now passing it on to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel for more videos. The next video I'm going to be doing is going to be called my quarantine routine. So see you in the next video. Bye.